Joshua from Green Hearts. And just keep watching Green Hearts every Sunday, and thank you for sa lahat ng mga nagpa-picture kanina. Thank you. Thank you for the support.
Yan, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Super Martin. Sana patuloy niyo po rin yung heart sa summer episode, abangan niyo po. At saka Party Pilipinas for every Sunday. Thank you.
Ayan, good afternoon po ulit sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Joyce. Ako po yung gumaganap na ayos sa Green Hearts. Sana po patuloy niyo po kaming supportahan at abangan niyo po yung summer episode ng Green Hearts. Pati manood din po kayo ng Party Pilipinas episode.
Alright, so alam ko you guys are excited to take your pictures with them. So everybody is invited, but those who would like to have their pictures taken have to fall in line at this side. Fall in line at this side. We will do it systematically. Line up lang po by group. Okay, so we can allow mga